Hello there, guys. So I wanted to show you this super duper quick thing, but quite impactful, I must say. Another great way to use your washi tapes. I'm obsessed with washi tape. So it's to go around the perimeter, to stick it around the perimeter of your photo mat. So it's very thin, very little bulk, and it gives you that wow factor. And a lot of the washi tapes have lots of glitz and glamour and shiny, and you can get them in all sorts of different looks. So you'll be able to create gorgeous photo mats in no time. So you could do it with the white or without the white. And I have to say, I'm going to just quickly show you without the white how much, and this is black on black, I like to leave a teeny bit of a border just like we would with any photo mat. And what I love without the white is that it's even less bulky. Even less bulky. Don't forget to use your handy dandy little tape ripper. It's just perfect for this to create a perfect straight edge for your photo mats. As you can see here, something as simple as this, and it just gives you all the wow factor you need. The nice thing about washi tape is that 9 times out of 10, they are translucent. So when you layer one on a piece on top of the other, it just disappears. Okay, it just melts right into the next one. So look at how awesome that looks. No white. And then let's do this one with the white. If you're interested in this washi tape that I'm using, I got it on, it does that, which highly annoys me. I got it on Amazon, and all you have to do is search for Halloween washi tape, and a ton of different tapes will come up, including this set. And I love it. So here it is with the white. But again, completely unnecessary to use that white because nowadays you can print your pictures with a white border and that reduces on the bulk. So check it out, guys, how fantastic. I don't know why this one is doing this so much. Quite the waste, I must say, but it's doing it, so have to deal with it. So it's probably the way that I am pulling. I'm probably not pulling evenly. Whoopsie. But as you can see, super forgiving, right? Just feel like it's a little bit of a waste, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not going to cry over spilled milk. So there's that side. Oh my gosh, it's got to be me. It's got to be me. What is going on? You see, normally the right thing for me to do is edit this, right? But I'm not doing it because this is what happens. This is what happens. And you're probably like, why did Kathy's tape didn't rip? Her video was super perfect. No, it's not perfect, guys. This is what happens. Okay? Right here. Your tape will rip. And you may have to deal with it and just do this, right? So there you go. All right, let me try to do it a little more even and maybe go a little slower. Maybe I was going too fast. This stuff is really thin, so, you know, maybe I'm just being a beast. You know, here's what I love about the washi. Slow and steady, sister. Right there down the middle. Down the middle. And it just kind of melts into each other. Like you don't see the start or the end of the tape. And it's just super fabulous. So here it is without the white paper, which I love. And here it is with the white. Now, when you put your photo on here, you're going to get a beautiful little border. And it just looks so good, right? So it's a cheap way to dress up a photo mat and reduce the bulk. All right? Washi tape, my friends.